happiness. This is very happy. I like surprise. I'm going to still win. Why? I'm going to still win this. I do not know why I'm deciding to play slasher in this lobby, bro. I really do not understand why I'm choosing to pick slasher out of every single killer. Alright. First, we gotta always go for the supports. I gotta get like back here. This is my friend, bro. He has 18 days on me. Like back.
Yummy.
Am I actually the best?
Nom nom nom.
Yes, I'm the best. It's a desperate time. Okay.
Of course, I'm the one who
I'm already talking to the worst players out of the 7. Did this guy just react to slasher or did he hitbox trap? I actually don't know.
You ready?
Scary. Whatever this supply version is going to be. I have no idea what that actually. Oh! Just that. How do you do this?
You both tried it.
Alright, go ahead. Terrified. Oh my god. How are we supposed to do this? These guys are so intense. It's dead. Okay. Get me against that. Okay. Now we just chase. These are really trying. We did the thing. We did the thing. They hit the clip. Oh, 2 minutes. That died. Dead ass. Oh, see.
You ready for this?
Okay, yeah, I'm dead. No, I actually am so thankful that for a second buff for what it did for the timer.
Yummy.
Because it was 40 seconds. Well, okay. This kind of a 20-day winner.
Let's do this.
Could never be. Could never be. That would be the first time slash division.
Let's do this.
4 people. They're
I don't wanna die.
I should have just blocked it.
Let's do this.
It's so nice things. Nice and not many left. Okay, just switch to this.
Looks like we've been prepared.
Yeah, just give it.
Let's play this.
Dead. I know. I'm not moving around. That guy. This guy is like, this guy's a master at I'll get him. One. You Adams, Adams, try again, bro. Try again. Adams, come on. Adams. Whoa. This is bro. How do you come with that, man? Like, I have never seen that ever before, bro. Why? Free game. Not free game. It's stressful as hell, bro. Jesus. Literally all the sweats had to leave when I'm killer, bro. Of course they do. Literally, of course they do. Now I'm just left with a bunch of bums. There's only like 2 good people in this lobby now, bro. There used to be like... What am I doing? Like, how do people do this and say that is good? I find it hard to believe it's not so much. He is the worst killer ever existed in this game. By a landslide. Only killer I don't have that for. Look at that! Do you see this? Literally just a worse version of John Doe and last person that was at the game. I know I'm good at the game. Jesus, man. He's just AFK. Please hit me. I don't know if I should kill my friend right now or not. He's not my friend.
Nom nom nom.
He almost now obviously you know, this is the same guy called King of Emoting. This guy, you see, I told you, he's pretty good at it. But, he just fumbled. Maybe I take that. Where are you reading now? How did I even miss that? He's stationary. I just completely missed that. Okay. That's not happening. I've hit one. It's not even a century. Okay. Guys, Cataclysm. Every single move from this guy's kit. Cataclysm is what he died to. Oh my god. This guy has not double my money. Not triple my money. But quadruple and a half times my money. What are you? This is an AI. You're not real. You're not real at all. I refuse to believe you're real. I really do refuse to believe you're real. There's no way this bum exists in real life. It's time.
I see your smile.
If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure the 280,000 thing is a guest. Yeah. First off, we're killing the Elliot. because if I have to get that gas and the Elliot heals him, get that gas low, oh, I'm gonna be pissed.
There's nothing that
See it. One hit.
there is a key difference between a good friend and a friend. Friends do what you ask. They enjoy what you make for them. Betrayal.
These people are just like
You
Aside from
so
them being
many
poor.
chances.
Toodles! He knows how to dodge. And, alright, go.
There is a key difference between a good friend and a friend. Good friends do what you ask. They enjoy what you make for them.
He's not smart. That's for sure.
We're having the time of our lives, aren't we? Really are just hopeless. We're having the time of our lives, aren't we?
I zeroed out. I was too slow.
I'm gonna have loads of friends soon.
Dead anyways.
There is a key difference between a good friend Losers are supposed to lose.
That was cool.
Toodles.
Alright.
A whole new city. A whole new world.
Yes.
That's kind of exciting, man. I can still do this.
Really?
There's nothing that hurts more. So annoying.
Did I make a mistake? What was that lucky shot? Oh yeah, I did not make a mistake.
Obviously just don't have your world's done. No
No, did he
takers.
leave? He didn't even leave. This guy has actually potential to be a sweat. I don't know. I really don't know. But we're just gonna have to see. Like, even having a legacy match, you can play the game for a couple of months. So maybe he's actually pretty good.
I got him.
I really just don't understand why I think. I try to find sweat lobbies because I'm gonna show my stats. Look at my stats, man. This is my alt account. In case you were wondering, you probably tell, but this is my alt account, bro. I'm instead of being a 9-day player, I'm actually like a 27-day player. I just want to have a better challenge, bro. Like they keep giving the only people who keep giving me a challenge are my friends. Like my friend Carl and my friend Adams. They actually sometimes put up a good fight, but most of the time, even if they're around, I kill them so easily, man. Like I just want to get into more sweat lobbies, and I want to make content about defeating sweat lobbies. Cause like I also have every milestone 4 on this account that I want to make content with, but I just can't because there's no one really that good. So I can't really. There's nothing really to record. I hope every time there's a sweat lobby, I might just start recording because it's gonna be very hard. But like even though the first part of the video, amazing. It was like a couple of high day players, the maximum being like what is it? Was it around like 30 day? 30 day. I don't get why these people just always leave. I even like it's just a loss, bro. Just don't leave. Because the first game it was actually close and intense. I almost lost. But the rest of the game is, as you can see, I like almost speed blitz the lobby. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video. Honestly, so I know this is kind of disappointing, based on this video is about sweat lobbies. But really, I just can't control these people. Have an awesome day. May God bless you all.